Get ready for incredible savings in the 2024 HexClad Black Friday sale. You won't want to miss out on these premium pots and pans backed by celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay. HexClad's Black Friday sale offers average savings of over 30% across their range of high-quality cookware. With discounts this deep, it's the perfect time to upgrade your kitchen arsenal. I've handpicked the top 15 HexClad Black Friday deals that offer the best savings. Links to each limited time deal is in the description box. The HexClad 12-piece hybrid pots and pan set is on sale for Black Friday at $599.99, down from its original price of $999. That's a whopping 40% off. This set is a literal kitchen game changer. You'll get all the essential pieces you need for everyday cooking, from fry pans to saucepans and a stock pot. The tri-ply construction means your food heats up faster and more evenly, so you can say goodbye to hot spots. The pans are super versatile. You can use them on any stovetop, including induction, and they're oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Sear your steak on the stove, then finish it in the oven, all in the same pan. Cleanup is a breeze with these pans. They've got a non-stick surface that actually works, but you can still get that perfect sear when you want it. It's like having the best of both worlds. The set includes 12-inch, 10-inch, and 8-inch fry pans with lids, 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans with lids, and an 8-quart stock pot with lid. Plus, you get free shipping and a lifetime warranty. Not bad for a set that'll be your kitchen BFF for years to come. The HexClad Everyday Chef set is now on sale for $999 this Black Friday, down from its original price of $1,700. That's an incredible 41% savings on this kitchen essential. You'll get a great mix of pots, pans, and kitchen tools that cover all your bases. The star of the show is the 12-piece cookware set featuring HexClad signature hybrid technology. It's like having the best of both worlds: non-stick ease and stainless steel durability. But wait, there's more. The set also includes a versatile 12-inch wok and griddle, perfect for whipping up stir fries or flipping pancakes on lazy Sunday mornings. And let's not forget the 7-quart deep sauté pan. It's a lifesaver for one-pot meals. To round things out, you'll get an 8-inch Damascus steel chef's knife and a set of stainless mixing bowls with vacuum seal lids. These extras take your kitchen game to the next level. The knife makes prep work a breeze, while the bowls are great for mixing, storing, and even marinating. With this set, you're all set for everyday cooking and those special holiday meals. It's the kind of gift that'll make you feel like a pro in the kitchen. And hey, at this price, you might just want to treat yourself. The HexClad Complete Kitchen Kit is now on sale for $1,399, down from $2,274. That's a huge 38% savings. This bundle is perfect if you've caught the cooking bug and want to upgrade your kitchen gear. You'll get a 12-piece set of pots and pans that can handle everything from simmering sauces to searing scallops. You'll also receive a 12-inch wok for stir frying, a griddle for pancake mornings, and a deep sauté pan for frying chicken. The kit also includes a 7-piece Damascus steel knife set and a pepper grinder with burr technology. And to top it off, you get vacuum sealing mixing bowls for storing leftovers. Here's a quick rundown of what's included. 6-piece hybrid fry pan set with lids, 6-piece hybrid pot set with lids, 7-quart hybrid deep sauté pan chicken fryer with lid, 12-inch hybrid stainless steel wok, 12-inch hybrid griddle pan, 7-piece Damascus steel knife set, HexMill pepper grinder, 6-piece stainless mixing bowl set with vacuum sealed lids, and the pots and pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while the lids can handle 400 degrees Fahrenheit. They're dishwasher safe, metal utensil safe, and work on all cooktops, including induction. You'll love the knives with their ergonomic green packawood handles and the magnetic walnut block for storage. The mixing bowls come with vacuum sealing lids, perfect for meal prep and leftover storage. With this kit, you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. It's a great investment for your kitchen that'll last for years to come. You can snag this fantastic fry pan set for just $329.99 this Black Friday, down from $532. That's a sweet 38% discount. This 6-piece set is a game changer for your kitchen. You get 3 essential frying pans, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, each with its own lid. These pans are perfect for everything from whipping up a quick omelet to searing a juicy steak. The hybrid technology is what makes these pans special. They combine non-stick coating with stainless steel, giving you the best of both worlds. You can cook with less oil and still get that perfect golden brown sear on your food. Cleanup is a breeze too. These pans are dishwasher safe, but they're so easy to clean by hand you might not even bother with the dishwasher. And don't worry about scratches, they're tough enough to handle metal utensils. The pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while the lids can handle 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can start your dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven without switching pans. The Stay Cool handles are a nice touch, keeping your hands safe while you're cooking up a storm. With a lifetime warranty and free shipping, this set is a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these pans will quickly become your go-to for all your cooking needs. The HexClad Everything But the Kitchen Sink Bundle is on sale for $2,799, down from its original price of $4,156. This impressive 33% discount saves you $1,357 on a comprehensive kitchen set. You'll get a complete cookware overhaul with this bundle. It includes HexClad's popular hybrid pans, Japanese Damascus steel knives, and innovative HexMill grinders. The set is perfect if you're looking to upgrade your entire kitchen in one go this Black Friday. Gordon Ramsay's seal of approval adds extra appeal to this collection. The celebrity chef uses HexClad in his own kitchen, praising its durability and performance. You'll be cooking with the same tools as the pros. The pans feature a unique hexagonal design that combines stainless steel with non-stick properties. This means you get excellent searing power and easy cleanup in one pan. The knives are razor sharp and built to last, while the grinders add a touch of style to your countertop. With a huge 33% Black Friday discount, this bundle offers great value. It's an investment in your culinary future, providing you with high-quality tools that will last for years to come. The HexClad Ultimate Everything Collection is on sale for $1,999.99, down from its original price of $2,893. That's a whopping 31% savings on this comprehensive kitchenware set. Again, you'll get everything you need to equip your kitchen like a pro chef. The collection includes a variety of pots and pans, each featuring HexClad's signature hybrid technology. The set also comes with sharp, durable knives and handy kitchen tools. You'll find yourself reaching for these essentials daily, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner party spread. With the Ultimate Everything Collection, you're not just buying cookware, you're investing in your culinary future. These pieces are built to last, guaranteeing years of delicious meals and kitchen adventures. Plus, the sleek, modern design will give your kitchen a stylish upgrade. Here's what's included: 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch hybrid pans, 2-quart and 3-quart hybrid pots with lids, an 8-quart hybrid pot with lid, chef's knife and paring knife, kitchen utensil set. Originally priced at $467, this HexClad set is now available for just $379.99 during the HexClad Black Friday sale. That's a whopping 19% savings on a versatile collection of pots that'll transform your cooking game. You'll love the range of sizes in this set. It includes a 2-quart saucepan, perfect for whipping up quick meals or sauces, a 3-quart pot ideal for everyday cooking, and a generous 8-quart stock pot for big batches of soup or stew. Each pot comes with a tempered glass lid, letting you keep an eye on your creations without losing heat. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lids to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, these pots seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven. They're compatible with all cooktops, including induction. The Stay Cool handles are a nice touch, ensuring safe and comfortable handling while you cook up a storm. The HexClad Damascus steel knife set, originally $543, is now on sale for $319 this Black Friday. That's a massive 41% savings. Let me tell you, this 7-piece set is an absolute game changer for your kitchen. You'll get a magnetic walnut block, an 8-inch chef's knife, an 8-inch bread knife, a 7-inch santoku, a 5-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, and a honing rod. Each blade is crafted from 67 layers of Japanese Damascus steel, giving you exceptional sharpness and durability. The knives feature unique green packawood handles that are both stylish and comfortable to grip. They're designed to resist shrinking, so you can count on them to last. The magnetic block is a smart storage solution that keeps your blades sharp and your countertop clutter-free. You'll love how these knives perform in the kitchen. The 12-degree edge on each blade makes slicing a breeze, whether you're chopping veggies or carving meat. Plus, with a Rockwell hardness rating of 60+, these knives will stay sharp longer than your average kitchen blade. Get ready for some serious savings. The HexMill Collection Bundle is now on sale for $279, down from $377. That's nearly $100 off. You'll get the original 9-inch HexMill salt and pepper grinder set, perfect for keeping by the stove while you cook. Plus, you'll snag the new HexMill tabletop grinder set, which is half the size and looks stunning on your dining table. What makes these grinders special? They use burr grinder technology to season your dishes consistently and quickly. No more uneven seasoning or running back and forth between the kitchen and table. With both sets, you'll always have the perfect amount of seasoning right where you need it. Get ready for pizza perfection with HexClad's Hybrid Pizza Steel, now on sale for $89. That's a whopping 40% off the original $149 price. Now that's what I truly call a steal. This innovative pizza steel is perfect for your homemade pies. It's designed to give you that crispy crust you crave without the long preheating times typical of traditional baking stones. The secret? HexClad's unique hybrid technology and tri-ply construction with an aluminum core. You'll love how quickly and evenly this steel heats up. It can handle pizzas up to 14 inches wide, perfect for feeding your family or entertaining friends. Plus, it's oven safe up to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can even use it on the grill for that authentic wood-fired taste. Weighing in at just 4.5 pounds, this pizza steel is surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver. The two-handle design ensures you can grip it securely even when it's hot. And when you're done, simply pop it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. The HexClad 3.3 quart hybrid deep sauté pan is on sale for $105, down from its original price of $179. That's a sweet 41% savings. This pan is a real kitchen MVP. You can whip up hearty stews, simmer risottos, or reduce sauces to perfection. It's perfect for those nights when you want a quick one-pot dinner without sacrificing flavor. The high straight sides are a game changer. They keep splatters at bay while still being low enough to let you get a great sear on your proteins. Imagine browning sausages for cassoulet or crisping up bacon for a beefy stew, all in one pan. The pan comes with a tight-fitting glass lid, perfect for trapping in moisture and flavors. Both the pan and lid are oven safe, so you can start on the stovetop and finish in the oven without missing a beat. Cleanup is a breeze too. This baby is dishwasher safe and can handle metal utensils without a scratch. And with a lifetime warranty, you're making a solid investment in your kitchen arsenal this Black Friday. Originally priced at $199, the HexClad Hybrid Double Burner Griddle is now on sale for just $119 during the HexClad Cookware Black Friday sale. That's a huge 40% savings. This griddle is just great for your kitchen. You'll love how it spans 2 burners, giving you plenty of space to whip up breakfast for the whole family. Imagine flipping pancakes, frying eggs, and sizzling bacon all at once. No more juggling multiple pans. The hybrid design means you get the best of both worlds. A non-stick surface that's also safe for metal utensils. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can start cooking on the stovetop and finish in the oven. Plus, it works on all cooktops, including induction. With its versatility and durability, this griddle is sure to become your new favorite kitchen tool. The Hybrid Barbecue Grill Pan was $159 and is now down to just $95, so you're saving over $60 on this market-leading barbecue grill pan. You'll love grilling year-round with this versatile 12-inch HexClad barbecue grill pan. It brings the flavors of outdoor barbecue right to your stovetop or oven. The hybrid design combines stainless steel with a non-stick surface, giving you the best of both worlds. Sear steaks to perfection, or grill veggies with those coveted char marks. The ridge bottom allows excess fat to drain away, making your meals a bit healthier. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just give it a quick wipe or pop it in the dishwasher. This pan is built to last. It's metal utensil safe and oven friendly up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use it on any cooktop, including induction. With its sleek design and superior performance, it's no wonder celebrity chefs like Gordon Ramsay keep HexClad in their kitchens. Originally priced at $199, the HexClad 10-quart hybrid stock pot with lid is now on sale for $169, giving you a solid 15% savings. This versatile pot is a must-have for your kitchen. You can use it for just about anything, from whipping up large batches of soups and stews to boiling pasta for a family feast. It's even perfect for your next seafood boil. With its 10-quart capacity, you'll have plenty of room for big meals. It's ideal for those family gatherings where you need to feed a crowd. And at just over 5 pounds, it's not too heavy to handle comfortably. The HexClad 12-inch hybrid fry pan with lid is now on sale for $159, down from $199. That's a sizable 20% savings on this versatile kitchen workhorse. This spacious pan is perfect for cooking up big family meals or entertaining friends. You can easily whip up a frittata for brunch or sear 2 steaks side by side. It's roomy enough to fit 4 salmon fillets plus veggies, giving you plenty of options for dinner. You'll love the tempered glass lid that lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks. The stainless steel handle stays cool, so you can safely move the pan around. Plus, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe, and even works on induction cooktops. With its durability and versatility, this 12-inch fry pan might just become your new favorite kitchen tool. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can cook with confidence for years to come.